Alright, you are welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you, or you are going to learn how you can extract WhatsApp group contacts in thousands. In my previous video, I used the Android phone to show you how you can extract from any WhatsApp group. This one, we are using our laptop, and then this method is very easy and simple. You can extract thousands of contacts from any group, and with the click of just your hand, then you install it automatically without doing anything. So I'm going to show you 3 methods, or let's say 2, so that you understand and then you know how to get the contact of any WhatsApp. So let's start then. The first thing is you launch your browser, then you go to Chrome Store and you search for contact extractor. So when it comes like this, you download it and then you add the extension to your Chrome browser. Great. So after you've added it, now you just come here, you click on it, and then you click on what contact extractor. So it will give you a pop-up. You see, WhatsApp web is not detected, so all that you have to do is just click on this one, and then automatically it will open your WhatsApp web. Great. So after you've launched your WhatsApp web, I'm sure you know the process you go through. Just use your phone, go to WhatsApp, scan the QR code, and then you connect it. So just click on it, click on extract. You can extract from contacts, countries, and whatever you are. I prefer groups. Should we include the admin? No. So then let's click here. So all the groups that you've joined, whether they are active or not, you see them here. So I'm looking for one particular group. I think that one is 500 plus contacts. Good. So I'm looking for this group. Now when you click on it, click on start exporting. Good. So we have here 593 ready. The good thing is here we have 4 options. If the group that you are in, you've not saved anybody's number, you don't have none of them, then I advise you to choose the Vcard. What it means is that after you've downloaded it, send this Vcard to your smartphone. Click on it and it will automatically import all the contacts on your phone. Then you start messaging them. Great. Now I want the CSV and I'll show you why. Good. So now our file is now downloaded. We've downloaded all the. You can go back, select another one, and then you export it. This one is 864. Just click on it, download, and then you are done. So in the next session, I'm going to take you through how you can actually give a name to this. With a Vcard, it will save them automatically when you send it to your phone, but I prefer using the CSV. So in the next session, I'm going to show you how this 864 contacts, you can save them in just a minute on your smartphone. Let's meet. Welcome back. So we extracted a contact from this session, this extractor, what was cyber boots. So just double click it and it will open your Excel. CSV will open in the Excel. Good. So no, I don't want this. That's not the one we extracted. Okay, here it is. Great. So this one, it's not everybody that have saved their contact. So the reason why I said use CSV is this. You see, with the CSV, you see from this side coming, I've saved some of the contacts, so the names will be there, and then where I have not saved the contacts to, it starts from here. So all this down, I can save all of them. Now this particular one, we have to delete it because it's not a number and it will not come. Now the app we are going to use, if today is the first time of watching this video, you can check my previous session where I made a video on how you can extract WhatsApp group contacts using your Android phone. The app we are going to use, iContacts, it can only allow us to save 100 contacts at a go because we are using the free version. If you buy the premium, you can use all of them. So all I have to do is Ctrl+C, you copy, open a new sheet, paste it. Make sure that everything here is a number. You can see we have this one. Let's delete it. So now we have 99 contacts. Go to file, come to export, change file type. Now come to test. Then it will give you a pop-up. So this is the name. I have a folder I use. So you see all these are name numbers I've extracted. Make sure you keep the group name. You see what extractor, delete it. Great. So you save it. Now it is saying that we have opened 2 sheets, so we are saving only this active sheet. So click on OK. Great. So now we have 99 contacts saved. You go back again, you continue where you left off, because don't forget that this one is 800 plus, so it means that 8 times you save it 8 different times. Then you copy the 100, but the software, the app I'm talking about, you can easily buy it. Yes. So after you are done, these are the contacts that you save, 1000 plus status view. So in the next session, I'm going to show you how you can save this particular one on your phone and then you start messaging them. Now let me show you the CSV file, how it is. Good. So this is the CSV file, this file. Just send it through Bluetooth or any other means to your smartphone. As soon as you click on it, automatically it will ask you, do you want to import the contacts? You said yes. Then it will automatically import all the contacts on your phone. Or you can use this approach. So let's meet in the next session where I will take you through how you can save these contacts. If you want to know how you can send a bulk message to all these contacts at once, watch my previous video, extracting WhatsApp contact with your smartphone, and you will get it. Alright, welcome back. So now we are going to save it on our smartphone. Don't forget that we can save the contact on our laptop. So we are using this app, which is the iContact. You can get it on platforms and then you download it. So when the app finally opens, we have options here: import unknown WhatsApp numbers, export contact. We are interested in import contact, so click on this. Now we have 2 options: tap to import phone number, that is the first one. Tap to bulk import email addresses. So if you are dealing with email, so you click on the first one, and then don't forget that we save the contact as what? Plain text. So here I have created a folder and then I just send it to my phone, my smartphone. So I've opened that folder for the sake of time. So let me click on the first one. So good. Now I'm having 96. I have to give it a name. And then the name of that WhatsApp group was Bredak. Let me say Bredak A. Why am I saying A? Because the app will only permit me to save 100 contacts at a go. So when I was doing the saving, I saved them 100, 100, 100. So Bredak A, it means that this is 1 to 99, then another, let's say 100 to 101 to 200 will be Bredak B. It's very, very important. So after this, then I'll just click on next. So I'll only save non-existing item, the first one. Yes, save now, continue. So don't stay here forever. All that you have to do is just wait for 30 seconds, go back to your phone dialer, and then let's search. So the name you use to save it is very, very important. So let's search Bredak. Now you can see that I have it here, Bredak 1. Then it moves to 10. Don't worry, the 2 and 3 are all in. So you realize that before you get to 22 will come, before you get to 33 will come, like that till we get to the 99. Don't forget that we're having 99. So where is it? Great. So you can see that we have, I think we're having 96. So that's what, it wasn't 99 rather. Good. So you see Bredak A 96. So it means that our contact has been saved. Now let's go back. You see, I told you it is still loading. So if you do that, you will stay here forever. Now we are done. It's very easy and simple. Just follow the procedure. So if you want to save another one again, just close the app and then you open it again so that it will stop loading and you can start another one afresh. So thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel and this video is helpful, kindly subscribe. If you have subscribed and you've come back, thumbs up. Thanks for coming. Kindly like this video and then share it with your loved one. Maybe you might be wondering, why must you extract WhatsApp group contact? Yes, if you're a businessman or someone who is having products you want people to buy. WhatsApp works in such a way that unless I save your number before I can send you a message, great. In a group, the group is locked. Only admins can send message. So how will you get them? You cannot go to the group list and then send them individually. So that is why this trick is there. You extract them, you save, and then you message them as a group, a bulk message. All of them, they'll get it at the same time. So if you want to, so when they save your number, then they can view your status. If you want to know how to convince someone to save your number, watch my previous video, the one I use only smartphone to extract the contact. Trust me, you like it, and it will help you to save a lot of contacts, increase your status view, get orders or contract from your status. So now your WhatsApp status shouldn't be only your pictures. Use it for business. It has helped me, and then people who followed my tutorial too, it has helped them. So thanks for watching.